The key is to growing interest in study is to make more fun and interactive. The way to do this by using some tactics and technology. Technology has made study more interactive and fun. There are ways to grow interest in study. Technique number 1. Understand the significance and value of education. As a student, you should recognize that study is a pathway to the future. Study is a meaning of realizing all your ambitions. Students who have learned to value education are more likely to like the learning process. Technique number 2. Keep your study area organized and comfortable. By avoiding unnecessary distractions, you will be able to concentrate better on study. Keeping all the necessary books, pencils, and other instruments close at the hand will help you to stay focused on the study table so that you don't have to search for any books you require. Technique number 3. Find techniques to improve your concentration. Concentration is the most significant quality required to enjoy the learning process. Keeping your attention on what you are reading will help you comprehend and assimilate it. This is the essence of having fun while studying. As a result, you will score better. Technique number 4. If you want to like studying, plan ahead for tests. If you want to truly enjoy studying, make it a practice to plan ahead for all of your tests. When you are studying on the day before your test, it's impossible to enjoy it. You will find studying to be a difficult experience. As a result of this, your interest will go on. Technique number 5. Optimize your time management. This can be accomplished by setting aside certain study times. During the remaining time, you can plan all your other activities. Finish your task, homework, project during the study time intervals. Make sure to schedule your reading time around these times as well. I hope you get some valuable insight from this video. Please like and share this video. Do subscribe our channel and comment down how you are growing interest in your study. That will help us to learn something new.